Today we are going to make a paper chain crocodile project. This project is great to do with kids. It's simple once you have all of the pieces cut out with your electronic cutting machine. And the first thing we're going to do is put together our head. We're going to take that big pink tongue and just slap it right in the middle, butt it up against that perforated line, and fold against the perforated lines. Add your eyes. I'm using googly eyes, but the cutting file includes paper eyes in case you don't have googly eyes on hand. Now I'm going to add his little nostrils. Of course, this part is completely optional if you don't want to add that. And then let's put together his spikes. Just fold along the perforated lines to make it 3D, glue it onto the tail, fold against the perforated lines on the tail, set that aside, and let's put the teeth on. For this, you're going to want to put glue all along the edges of his mouth because that's where we're going to put the teeth. And we're going to fold along the perforated lines and just line up the teeth with the non-tab side sticking out. And just butt it up against the edge of the paper. So like the fold is right along the edge of the mouth. And just repeat this for all teeth, puzzle them together. And there you go, your head is put together, super cute, and now we are going to put the rest of his body together. So the first chain is going to be just a plain chain without the feet, and adhere it to the head. Just make a circle like you would any other paper chain project. For the feet, to give them a little more dimension, just accordion fold on those perforated lines. And we are going to thread that through our first chain and make our second chain. Our third chain is once again just going to be a plain chain, no feet. And then the fourth will be our other footed chain. And again, we're going to fold accordion style on those perforated lines just to give a little bit added dimension and make our crocodile extra 3D. And then our very last chain is going to attach the body to the tail. So you're going to thread it through the last chain you made with the feet and the tail and close off that circle. Might take a little bit of adjusting. And then to finish off our alligator or crocodile, we are going to put one last piece of adhesive on the end of the tail so that the tail doesn't flap open. And there he is, all done.